These are surprise blind balls, and we found them at the Dollar Tree, so we're gonna open them up and see what we get. Oh, okay. They're just cute characters. It's not really a squishy. It's just like a cute, like, character thingy. They're cute, though. Oh, wait, does it come off? No, it doesn't come off. Number 2, let's hope we don't get a duplicate. There's 6 to collect, so if we get all 3, we are doing good. Oh, we got the same one. Probably a cactus. It's another cactus. What the heck? That is cheap. We were not lucky. I guess you can name the triplets, so you guys should name them. What you guys think?